So this, as you may know, is an IKEA instruction manual. You may also know that many people despise these instructions. In fact, you might be one of them. But these assembly diagrams are a key ingredient to IKEA's worldwide success. Let me tell you why. Most of us have used or at least seen one of these award-winning instruction manuals. They are distinctly recognizable. Simple black and white diagrams without words and a pointy-nosed man. It's not until you see other instruction manuals that you really start to appreciate IKEA's. In 1956, Gillis Lundgren, IKEA's fourth employee, designed and built a table only to find it wouldn't fit in his station wagon. So he took the legs off, put them in a box with the tabletop, and IKEA's first piece of flat-packed furniture was born. This flat packing model enabled IKEA to pass the assembly costs onto its customers, who then put together the furniture at home. At some point, they had to come up with a way to clearly communicate to a global audience how to put their products together. Their solution was to create an instruction booklet that is purely visual. Instead of words, these manuals use diagrams, symbols, and this goofy-looking man to communicate. These wordless instructions have become ideal for flat-pack furniture, and many other companies are seeing the value of visual-based instructions and following suit. This visual approach brings clarity to even the most complicated furniture assemblies. And clarity isn't limited by words because diagrams are a universal language. The value diagrams can create for a company or even an individual is immense. They can visually communicate complex information with clarity and ease. They are more effective than non-visual communication and reach a greater, more diverse audience. It's part of the reason wordless instruction designs are so successful. So whether you are building furniture, creating a network infrastructure, or mind mapping an idea, visuals can be a key to your success. What could the power of working visually do for you? Find out with Lucidchart.